Hi, this is the ALCATEL 1B 2022 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. First, open the Settings application and then tap to the Wi-Fi section. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, you should click here to this switcher. After that, you'll see here all of the available networks. Select one from the network and enter the password. Then tap to connect button, wait a second, and now we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and find here the Wi-Fi icon. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, we should click to this Wi-Fi switcher. And if you want to launch full Wi-Fi settings from here, hold for a while this Wi-Fi icon and that's it. After that, you will see here all of the available networks. You could select them, enter the password and connect. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.